You want to update yourself with knowledge? This is the place to be. Speakers, they give you all the information about the new cutting edge concept. You want to have a full view of what the technology is bringing up next year. Hi, I'm Francesco Amato. I'm a professor from Italy. And today I'm here because I gave a lecture to this beautiful Congress. Today I talk about a very interesting topic, an innovative way to solve complex cases in the aesthetic area with a very simple technique that is really revolutionary. And I found the people very, very interesting in this. It was a great audience, a large group, very, very satisfactory. I actually was surprised. This is an amazing event. It's a very, very large exposition area. The rooms of the speakers are organized very well. There's a large attendance. I was not expecting that. Beautiful, interested people, high quality level, both speakers and audience. I definitely recommend to people to come here because this is a must-be event of the year. Well, you want to update yourself with knowledge? This is the place to be. Speakers, they give you all the information about the new cutting edge concept. You want to have a full view of what the technology is bringing up next year. The exposition is the perfect place to be. Every stand really has a good information ready for you and will tell you more about what's going on. Budapest, where to be.